So we're going to have a look at how we can use grid method multiplication to answer the question from the test, 465 times 52. Now I think the first thing we've got to do is try and work out about how big the answer is going to be. I've rounded the 465 first to 400 and then to 500, and I'm timesing it in each case by 50. Now 400 times 50 will be 20,000, 500 times 50 will be 25,000, so I know the answer's got to be somewhere in the middle of that, and I actually know it's going to be nearer to 25,000 than 20,000. When I get my answer, having done my estimate, I've got to check that it's around about the right size. I know the answer is going to be even as well, because an odd number times an even number always gives an even number. Now I draw my grid out to make sure I'm multiplying each bit of the 465 by each bit of the 52, and then it's time to multiply. 4 5s are 20, and then we need to adjust 1, 2, 3 places. 2 places for that one, 1 place for that, total of 3 places. 4 2s are 8, and I need to adjust 1, 2 places for the 2 zeros in 400. 6 5s are 30, and then the 2 zeros there. 62s are 120, 5 50s 250, and 5 2s are 10. Have a look at your example on your test paper and see if you got to this stage. Pause the video. Then I lay all the numbers out in a column addition method, and you can see I'm really careful to make sure all the digits are accurately lined up. I've crossed the numbers out to make sure that I've got all of them. Then it's just a simple addition. Now again, have a look. How did you get on in answering this question on the test? Now have a go at answering this question. Pause the video. Everyone work until you've finished, and then we'll have a look at the solution and see how it matches up with what you've done. Make sure you've got an estimate first. So first you partition the number. Notice in 307 there's only a hundreds and a units digit, so I don't need a zero column for the tens. Possibly the area most likely to have a mistake is this first bit now. 6 3s are 18, and then I need to adjust 2 places because it's 300 and not 3, and 1 place because it's 60 and not 6. And then 9 3s are 27, I need to adjust 2 places. 6 7s are 42, need to adjust 1 place, and 7 9s are 63. Again, I'm careful to make sure all the numbers are laid out in columns. 700s plus 400s is 1100, so 1 there, and carry that 1 over. And there you can see that you've finished the calculation. Now have a look how your answer compares. Now I would say your estimate should have been somewhere around 300 times 70. So be thinking, well, 3 7s are 21, and are just 3 places. And I can see, of course, that these two answers are very close. It's an odd number, which of course it should be, so I can be confident in that answer. Now, have a go at answering these two questions by yourself. When you finish, check if the answers are accurate on a calculator, and see if you can see how accurate your workings were.